Okay. So now let us see the MCQ on natural resources. Okay. Now here we start with the MCQ of natural resources. Okay. Select and write the most appropriate alternative from those given below each statement and rewrite the completed statement. Okay. First, on Venus, the atmosphere consists of only option A carbon dioxide, option B oxygen, option C is nitrogen, option D is water vapor. So which one is correct option? Carbon dioxide is the correct option. Okay, carbon dioxide is the correct option over here. Okay, next is second part is large part of India gets rainfall from option A southwest and northeast monsoon, option B is southwest and southeast monsoon, option C is over here. Okay, option C is southwest and northwest monsoon, option D is southeast and northeast monsoon. So option southwest and northeast monsoon, southwest and northeast, southwest and northeast monsoon. So correct option is option A. Okay, south, west and northeast monsoon. Okay, so this option was correct, option A. Next, moving further, at night time there is dash low pressure on land and high pressure on water masses. Second option is high pressure on land and low pressure on water masses. Option C is low pressure on both land and water masses. Option D is high pressure on both land and water masses. Which option is correct? High pressure on land and low pressure on water masses. High pressure on land and low pressure. So option B is the correct option. Okay. High pressure on land, high pressure on. So okay, so option this is correct. No, high pressure on land and low pressure on water masses. Fourth one is what the visible indication of air pollution is. Option is equal to dash, right? Option A is rain, option B is hail, option C is smoke, option D is snow. So which is the correct option for question number 4? Smoke is the correct option. Okay. Next, moving further. Now let us see the fifth one. Okay. Fixation of nitrogen is done. Option A is in the presence of sunlight during photosynthesis. Option B. Option C is by chlorophyll. Option D is during lightning. So which option is correct for option 5? During lightning is the correct option. Very good. During lightning is a correct option. So next option 6 is what? In the process of photosynthesis dead. Option A is glucose is formed from oxygen and carbon dioxide is liberated. Option B is glucose is formed from carbon dioxide and oxygen is liberated. Option C is nitrates and nitrites are formed from nitrogen and oxygen is liberated. Option D is nitrates and nitrites are formed from nitrogen and carbon dioxide is liberated. Now, which option is the correct option for? Glucose is formed from carbon dioxide and oxygen is liberated. So glucose is formed from carbon dioxide and oxygen is liberated is the correct option. Okay. So the option is glucose is formed from carbon dioxide and oxygen is liberated is the correct option. Next, moving further. Now over here, seventh one is photosynthesis is a process involved in option A is water cycle and oxygen cycle, option B is oxygen and carbon dioxide cycle, option C is carbon dioxide and nitrogen cycle, option D is nitrogen and water cycle. Now which is the correct option? Oxygen and carbon dioxide cycle. Okay, oxygen and carbon dioxide cycle is the correct option. Okay, this option B is the correct option. Next, moving further, question number 8. The components of fossil fuel responsible for acid rain are: option A is carbon and sulfur, option B is carbon and nitrogen, option C is sulfur and nitrogen, option D is carbon, sulfur and nitrogen. Which option is the correct option? For question number 8, sulfur and nitrogen. Okay. Next is acid rain is caused by: option A carbon dioxide, B is ozone, hydrocarbon, oxide of sulfur and nitrogen. Which option is the correct option? For question number 9, oxide and sulfur. Very good. Oxide and sulfur and nitrogen is the correct option. Okay. Next is the question number 10. Okay. So the factors responsible for formation of soil as well as erosion of soil are, here options are given. Now which option is correct? Option A is sun and wind, option B is wind and water, option C is water and living organism, option D is living organism and sun. Okay, so which option is correct over here? For 10th, wind and water. Wind and water is the correct option. Okay, next, moving further on the next page, that is so the poisonous substances used by the paper industry are: option A is hydrocarbons, option B is CFCs, option C is mercury salt, option D is oxide of sulfur and nitrogen. Which option is the correct option for 11th one? Mercury salt is the correct option. Okay, option C is the correct option. Next, moving towards 12th one, the moon has extreme climate during day and night time because: option A is the moon is closer to the sun, option B is the atmosphere on the moon consists of carbon dioxide, option C is it receives heat really reflected from the earth, option D is there is no atmosphere on the moon. Which option is the correct one? There is no atmosphere on the moon is the correct option. Okay. Next, moving further, that is 13th one, question number 13. The water cycle is driven by: option A is wind energy, option B is potential energy of water, option C is kinetic energy of water, option D is solar system. So for question number 13, which is the correct option? Solar energy is the correct option. Okay, solar energy is the correct option. Now moving further. Okay, so 14th question is: what organism responsible for fixation of atmospheric nitrogen are? Option A is lichens, option B is moss, option C is bacteria, option D is earthworms. Okay, now which option is the correct option? Option bacteria is the correct option, right? No, bacteria is the correct one. Okay. Next, moving further, that is question number 15. Endoskeletons and exoskeletons of various animals are formed from: option A is sulfate salt, option B is carbonate salt, option C is nitrite salt, option D is chloride salt. Now which option is the correct option over here? Carbonate salt is the correct option. Okay, that is option B is the correct option, carbonate salt. Okay, carbonate salt. Next, moving towards the question number 16. Okay, let me. The depletion of the ozone layer is caused by: okay, option A is carbon dioxide, option B is nitric oxide, option C is chlorofluorocarbons, option D is hydrocarbons. So option C is the correct option. Okay, that is chlorofluorocarbon. Next, option 17, question number 17 is chlorofluorocarbon causes. Option A is air pollution, option B is water pollution, option C is soil pollution, option D is soil erosion. Now, which option is the correct option in this? Air pollution is the correct option over here, okay? So, air pollution is the correct option, okay? I hope you all have understood today's MCQs, okay? And thanks for watching.